sitting now the first national Argenton all birds, winner against 13,108 all birds, second fastest of the whole group of plus 30,000. The ring number is B21 3046 923. The middle-sized cock, and the owner is Verhulst Kurt. It's a pigeon that was the first time basketed on the national race. The times before he was basketed on provincial races and had very good race results. His strain is a mix of Velge, Dominique Velge, and Kurt Plateau. And Allemeers André from Pot. It was a hard race. East wind. And there is from through Allemeers, there is a strain of Marcel Albrecht also in this winning bird. So it was a hard race, as you can see, blue sky and east wind. A top performance from a very nice cock. Congrats from the Verhuls team.